we're dedicated to enabling all people in all spaces with simple, smart, and sustainable solutions. Last year, we saw an opportunity to create a purpose-built solution for smaller spaces. We introduced Huddle to the Rally family. With Rally Bar Huddle, we started with a blank slate and built a product from the ground up that delivers simplicity and intelligence priced for scale. Today, we will talk about a different set of spaces, the challenges with each, and introduce you to a brand new member of the Rally family that has been purpose-built to easily video enable even more spaces. And with that, I'm really excited to introduce you to Rally Board 65. Rally Board is an all-in-one solution that combines intelligent audio and video with a brilliant 65-inch touchscreen display. It's purpose-built for open spaces, where you need a simple solution that can be rolled in and out as needed. And we've optimized Rally Board for meeting rooms, particularly those that need the simplest setup possible, like satellite offices, with limited on-site IT support. Now, as we thought about these environments, we quickly saw their unique challenges. Let's start with open spaces. Open spaces can create a more inviting and collaborative work environment, whether it's a space for brainstorming, a place to learn, or an area for project teams to meet daily. In these scenarios, all-in-one solutions can be ideal as they can be moved around as needed. However, open spaces are often located in more open environments, where remote participants can be distracted by seeing and hearing things outside of the meeting. To address these challenges, we've enhanced our RightSight 2 and RightSound 2 technology to create something that's like a digital cocoon for meetings. Here's how it works. Start by defining a camera zone, and Rally Board will only frame people inside of the specified area. To help reduce unwanted environmental sounds, we are extending video zoning to include audio with a new feature we call Mic Zone. Mic Zone uses advanced beamforming microphones and our latest audio AI algorithms to detect and reduce unwanted sounds outside of the specified meeting area. Then, we take things up a notch and create a beautifully focused video experience by minimizing visual distractions. We call this feature Depth Blur. We do this by using an all-new depth mapping technology. This unique sensing capability gives Rally Board a three-dimensional space map, focusing on the people and objects within the zone. To make this possible, we built our most sophisticated camera system yet. Rally Board features a depth mapping sensor and a custom-designed lens that pairs with a 1-inch imaging sensor. This provides a wide field of view perspective and deep participant framing while maintaining superior image detail. And when Rally Board is not in use, the camera system automatically rolls out of view, clearly communicating a sense of privacy. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about meeting rooms. All-in-one devices can simplify room setup by minimizing the number of components that need to be installed, which makes them ideal for scenarios where you need to streamline the installation process. However, traditional all-in-ones typically have the camera at the top of the display, which makes sense for spaces where the touchscreen is used. But in meeting rooms where touch is less important, the ideal camera placement is actually at eye level, which is often below the display, to provide a more natural eye contact experience. That's why we've built flexibility into Rally Board. You can install it with the camera above or below the display, depending on the environment, and the system will automatically recalibrate as needed. Now, Rally Board simplifies deploying video in satellite offices. Just open the box, place it on a credenza, and connect 2 cables. It's that simple. And best of all, admins can use our remote UI access feature to configure and provision the device remotely. We're excited with the flexibility and simplicity that Rally Board brings to video enable open spaces, meeting rooms, and satellite offices. Now, to tell you more, here's John and Andrew.
Thanks, Henry. We designed Rally Board 65 to be simple, smart, and sustainable. Let's start with simple. Rally Board is simple to set up. This built-in compute allows you to deploy it as an Android, PC, or BYOD-based solution. We're working with our partners, Google, Microsoft, and Zoom, to give you the choice of leading video platform providers. Rally Board is simple to install. It can be mounted on the wall, used with a cart, or placed on a credenza. The camera can be installed above or below the display, ensuring that technology adapts to its environment and not the other way around. Now let's talk about being smarter with software. Rally Board 65 is a CollabOS device, which means it uses our cutting-edge RightSight 2 and RightSound 2 technology to ensure everyone is seen and heard clearly. RightSight 2 uses our most advanced AI algorithms to give you the choice of framing the group, the active speaker, or each person as individual tiles. If you're using Rally Board in an open space, a room with glass walls, or reflective surfaces, Camera Zone lets you define an area to frame, thereby excluding unintended participants. We integrate RightSight 2 tightly with our partners' platforms to provide an even better remote viewing experience. With Zoom Smart Gallery, RightSight 2 enables up to 5 simultaneous video streams, ensuring everyone is equally represented. With Microsoft Teams, RightSight 2 integrates with IntelliFrame, creating a more equitable and immersive video experience to help foster better collaboration. And with Google, RightSight 2 works in concert with dynamic layouts, providing a more fluid and inclusive video experience for hybrid teams. To ensure everyone is heard, we use RightSound 2, a collection of our most advanced audio algorithms that reduce unwanted sounds, such as HVAC noise, keyboard clicks, while equalizing soft and loud talkers at various distances. With the new Mic Zone feature, Rally Board will be even more resilient in acoustically challenging spaces. We're also including all of our workplace automation and insights features by using the same radar sensing technology featured in Logitech Spot. This enables auto-book and auto-release automations, as well as occupancy insights when you deploy Rally Board in traditional rooms. And finally, sustainability. Using our design for sustainability principles, Rally Board has been engineered to minimize its environmental impact. The frame and enclosure are made using Next Life plastics and low-carbon aluminum. Fabrics come from 100% recycled material, and our packaging is sustainably sourced using FSC-certified materials. To reduce power consumption, we use Rally Board's radar technology to detect presence and put the device in a low-power state when no one is in the room or close to the device, and then magically wake it up when someone wants to use it. But radar isn't the only sensor we built into Rally Board. We also integrated all the environmental sensing capabilities featured in Logitech Spot to give you a more holistic view of all your spaces. Rally Board is our latest addition to a lineup of devices that helps IT teams make all spaces video spaces. It extends the DNA of our portfolio into a new form factor while giving you design features that you can expect from a Logitech device, including our very own cart design. To tell you about that and more, here's my friend Andrew from our design team.
Thank you, John. A clutter-free, professional-looking meeting space sets the tone for welcome and productive collaborations. That's why we not only craft the look and feel of our products, we're equally obsessed with performance behind the scenes, especially cable management and retention across our CollabOS device family. It's all about uptime. By minimizing visible cables, we help you create the inviting spaces people love, whilst providing peace of mind that your connected rooms will remain just as you left them. Rally Board 65 features a purposefully designed cable management system. Cables can be neatly routed in any direction, up, down, left, right, or through the center. The design ensures that all cables stay tidy and secure, no matter how you orient or mount the device. To simplify the installation process, we've naturally included industry-standard visa affordances. Super flexible, this lets you mount Rally Board using many existing wall and cart solutions. And we extended this flexibility with our own cart design, which has the dual orientation feature baked in. When mounted to Rally Board cart, You only need to set it up once. You can then easily move the device to a new space, comfortably flip the orientation with one hand, and deliver a great meeting experience. Rally Board, the largest device Logitech has ever produced, is designed to meaningfully blend into modern workspaces with its simple, furniture-like vibe. The main unit is available in off-white and graphite, and the card is available in a relaxed off-white colorway. Combined with matching display content, Rally Board can help you elevate your workplace identity. So that's Rally Board 65, Logitech's all-in-one video conferencing device. It offers a super simple way to video equip both flexible and traditional meeting spaces. It'll be available in early summer, and we can't wait for you to get your hands on one.